And they're up. Alfa Romeo moving up Reading Machine together with Extra Strong Doña Nene. Then running by the rail Moneyman. Aloha is by the rail followed by Abon's Treasure Devil Rising. Then comes Speed to Riches live in Manila and Ding. Galing Galing is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Extra Strong in command by 3/4 of a length lead. Reading Machine is in second. Doña Nene running by the release joint account as they head towards the last 450. We have Extra Strong in command running by the rail to take second is joint account. Reading Machine is on the outside. Abon's Treasure and Aloha with the last 200 meters more to run. Joint account, this time leading the field. Abon's Treasure is by the rail. Reading Machine is on the outside with the last 100 meters more to run. Joint account over Abon's Treasure, Reading Machine, and finally joint account. Abon's Treasure, Reading Machine, Speed to Riches live in Manila for your Pentapecta.